In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install an IDE hard drive into a desktop computer. So how do you know if it's an IDE hard drive? Well, you look at the connectors. Here you can see all these pins here. That's where the ribbon cable will connect. And then these 4 pins here is a Molex connector, and that's where the power will connect to. So first you have to figure out how to get your hard drive into your desktop. This particular desktop has these little caddies, these little trays, and what you do is you find the 4 screws on the bottom. Every hard drive has 4 screws on the bottom, and they also have 3 screws on each side. So in this particular case, we put on a tray like this, line up the holes, and then just grab your screws and screw them in. You want to make sure that it's nice and snug, but not too tight. So there's nothing worse than trying to take out a broken screw from a hard drive. Okay, now that I have it secured into place, I need to connect my cables. So I'm going to look for the ribbon cable. It looks like this. As you can see, they will match perfectly. So you just put it in like this. You'll notice there's a little notch right here. You just want to make sure that you line that up. And now you just got to get your power. This is what it looks like. It's 4-pin again. It has a specific shape, and there's only one way that it can go in. So you just match up the shape. You got it all connected, and now just slide it in. And there you go. You've just installed an IDE hard drive.